Hey, I'm Steve, and these are the Lumary Smart Outdoor Light Bars. These produce those awesome LED color changes. I've gone ahead and unboxed them. I wanted to show you everything that you get in the box. You get 4 of these lights along with some hardware, the power cords, everything you need to install these. These lights have generous lengths of cord, allowing you to connect all 4 lights together. You can control these lights using the Lumary app, and it's free to download on your phone. Here's a look at the app. The app gives you full control over the colors and things like that and brightness. It's really a cool app, so you can get the exact look that you want. Now the app will also give you different scenes that are already pre-made with the colors already established, whatever kind of mood you're in, or a festival or life. Under each of one of those categories you get several different choices, like sunflower, ocean, Mediterranean, things like that. So it allows you to really experiment and have some fun and see different light scenes. They also offer you a music option within the app. Now I got to admit, I didn't mess with the music option too much. I was too busy having fun just experimenting with the light scenes, but I wanted to let you know there is a music option. I just happened to have a bottom porch on my home, so I went out there and set these lights on the bottom porch so I could initially see what they look like, and they look amazing. Kind of makes my house look like a party house. I haven't yet decided where I might permanently mount these lights, but I may just leave them right where they're at because they look good the way they're shining up on my house. But this will give you a good idea of what it looks like, and like I said, you can set whatever type scene you have here. So I've been running through the app different scenes, and that's the lights you're seeing now. Now I think these lights look really cool. They're easy to operate. You got the app you can mess with, and I've also got the power switch, and you can go through some different settings there, but you simply just plug them in, hook them to each other and plug them in, and you're ready to go. I think you'll like it also. So if you're watching this, I hope you found my video helpful.